Hey guys, Guardian News here. Quick heads up. Talk about Yellowstone and the earthquakes that are really close to Yellowstone. It's been a major uptick in earthquakes that are in the basically Idaho Falls type area, Wyoming. It's like right on the border of Idaho and Wyoming, I want to say. Um, let's see here. And I don't know, they've been just having some massive quakes there. Well, put it this way, in the last 14 days, they've had um, 410, with the largest being a 5.3. But when you say 5.3, they're shallow as hell. Okay, and they're like 5 kilometers deep. All right, and most of them are in the 3 points to 4 points range. So it's very, very important to pay close attention to this because, I haven't seen this happen ever. And you can see it's like just keeps going up. Then we'll go to depth time. It all started right here, but just massive quakes. If you go to Soho, which pays a big um, part from the CMEs that intense and put pressure on their planet for more earthquakes and volcano eruptions and this stuff. These particles you're seeing, these are radiation particles from that major CME we just had yesterday. um, It'll show it right there. That's all radiation particles, and then it starts dying off a little bit. Okay, and then we go into the 12th of September, and then there was a minor, a mini, not mini, decent sized CME that will hit Earth in this coming week. You'll see it right there pop out, but at the same time, we're still dealing with more radiation particles that are still in the area. And there's that big one. God, it was just so huge. It was just massive. But just a quick heads up on that. God bless. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all your donations and people that want to become a Patreon. That's awesome. You guys are all freaking awesome. God bless.